Hello, beautiful souls. I am Awakened Soul, and today we're gonna look at Bitcoin, our next setup. Really quick, and made a major move today, and I just want you to know where I expected. If you're not following me on Twitter, go ahead and follow me. It's Awakened Soul 369, as I do update all my charts, my trades. But let's go ahead really quick, give you the one touch, two touch, right? For our weeklies are orange. I am particular about my colors here. And then we're gonna just go ahead and zoom into price action here. One touch, two touches. So just based on the weekly, I'm gonna give you a weekly target where I think Bitcoin is headed next. I'm gonna set my pivot highs and low. This is our lowest price action here at, what do we have? 15,473. So I'm going to place a vertical line here, yellow, orange, and then our weekly target is going to be right here. And this is where I expect Bitcoin to go next. I got a couple of confluences. So let me go ahead and show you my reasoning. So let's go ahead. That's my weekly bearish target. As you can see, it broke the weekly trend line. It bounced back up. If you go to the daily here, right, and just turning on our higher high, lower low indicators that I like to overlap, we're able to draw a nice pattern here that I think it's playing out. A megaphone. So we have one touch, two touches here. And this is in the daily, so let's go ahead and change it yellow. Okay, and so within this megaphone, if you go to the 4 hours, oh, actually, just really quick. So we have that megaphone, and we have this rising wedge that was playing. So we have one touch, two touches, and it bounced right off that that was support on that rising wedge. So if you go into the 4 hours, right, you have this descending falling wedge again, right? And we just broke out of it, so it's gonna be major moves coming in. I'm looking at 26K. That is my target. So 3 patterns confluence to what's going on right now. We have our weekly time frame bounce, perfect bounce from our rising wedge. We have this falling wedge too that just broke to the upside. Let's take a measure move right here. We have it. Oh, I guess we could do it with this. From this high, right? It would be from this high to this low. Oh no, sorry. This is the flagpole. We have to measure the flagpole because it's a flag, right? Ooh, giving me super high targets here. So this flagpole is giving me a target of 27. Could I go to 27? Absolutely. What's not to say? Let's measure this falling wedge from this high to this low. That's how you measure. Sorry. So from this high to this low, right? And now we have a target here. So it's just everything's indicating to do the upside right now, but level to level, right? Level to level. As we break this falling wedge, as we bounce right off this support, let's go ahead and get 4-hour targets that will be confluence to our next. So if you open a volume profile of and get your point of control, and where is that? It's right here. It's the fixed range volume profile, right? So from this high to this low, my first target would be at this 4-hour point of control off the bat, because price action will go back to here. And if you throw a extended fib, you can also see a nice target. Let me delete this. So that's our point of control. No, I want it purple. Cute. Okay. So now extended fib to you from low to your high to your low, right? And we could go back to 0.886 fib. That's 26,196. Beautiful. So this is my next target. Like I said, it's just trend lines are pointing here. Everything seems like confluence to here. So that's what I'm looking at right now. May the force be with you and good luck. And again, follow me on Twitter, as I'm always giving updates. But that's what I see and what happens next, to be honest with you. This is what I do expect. So this is the charts right now, right? There. No emotions, just what the charts show me. But if you go down to your weekly bearish targets, actually monthly, right now we're looking pretty low here, but based on the world and everything that's going on, 1 touch, 2 touches. This is our highest peak right here. Quick line here. Quick vertical line here. And then I'm going to give you where I expect Bitcoin to come back down. Right? But that could take months. That's 12,000. 12K. Do I expect it to come there? I do. When? I don't know when. But I do see this completion of this megaphone. Let me show you really quick that I've been sharing over and over. So going to 26K will give us this completion. Right on 26 right here. Right. This is our megaphone that we've been playing. And X marks the spot. All the trend lines are pointing over here. So I do expect Bitcoin to rotate down and hit us to 12K just based on that. So there you go, guys. Even though Bitcoin is up right now, just wait for a retrace, right? Because this could take us all the way to the beginning of March 2nd or so, this uptrend right now. So just wait for a nice reset on the 1 hour RSI. I would say it's a good entry level, or even in the 30 minutes. Once you see the RSI kind of cool down and have some low RSI, is a good entry to re-enter for that long. So be patient. The train has left, but there will be another train coming for you. So right through a fib wherever it's gonna stop, because that's just how the markets work, right? When you go up, you go down, you go up. So wait for the RSI to cool off on your 30 minutes to re-enter, because it will retrace at one point. It's gonna, go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, right? So you want to enter in a higher low. Right now it's pulling up because it could, it could retrace pretty low. So just wait for it to reset. Let the higher low be formed. Look at your RSI. Make sure it's on your side when you enter longs. And then we continue to the upside. And remember to always use a stop loss. And may the force be with you. Much love. And remember to do everything with love.